Hello everyone. Now it's time for next module 8, in which we will study about bond and bond valuation. So let's have a look at the definition of bonds. So bonds are a basic form of investment that typically include a financial agreement between issuer and the purchaser. So there are basic terminology that used in bonds. The first one is par value. Next is coupon rate, coupon payment, maturity date, and yield to maturity. To understand about these different terms, let's take an example in which we will consider these terms. So we want to buy $2,000 at 10% per annum rate of interest for 10 years. So here par value will be 2000. Coupon rate is 10%. Coupon payment will be par value into coupon rate, that is $200. Maturity date is the ending term, that is 10 years. So now it's time for the types of bonds. So bonds mainly are of two types. The first one is government bonds. Here bonds are classified as of three types. The first one is US Treasury bills, saving bonds, municipal bonds. These bonds are much safer than the other bonds. The next type is corporate bonds. These are issued by companies and carry more risk. It is of the following type. The first one is junk bonds, zero coupon bonds, convertible bonds. So in bond valuation, there are mainly four steps in pricing a bond. First one is identify the amounts and timing of future cash flows. Determine the discount rate. Find the present value of the lump sum principal and the annuity stream of coupons. Add the present value of the lump sum principal and the present value of coupon. Now let's have a look at the bond returns. Bondholders receive profit from two factors. The first one is interest income, that is specified on the bond itself and is a fixed amount. The next one is capital gain. It comes from changes in bond prices over time, as well as from buying bonds at a discount and selling them at a premium. So if returns are there, risk will always be there. So bond risk, the well-known risk in bonds are interest rate risk and default risk. It is mainly of the following types. The first one is credit risk, liquidity risk, duration risk, calling risk, and the last one is term risk.